Hey, you! The guy with the busted sampler. Yeah, you, the guy with the confused look on his face. I'm Billy, the sensor sampling guy. And I got a question for you. Do you know where your sampling system spare parts are? Tired of guessing which valve, bottle, doohickey goes where? Sick of ordering close enough parts and praying they fit? Well, stop sweating it because Sensor Sampling has your back. We're now offering sampling system spare parts, the exact parts you need, handpicked by the experts who actually know your equipment. We're not making the parts, oh no, we're doing something even smarter. We track them down, check them twice, get the right part for your system. We got sample valves, bottles, cylinders, septa, needles, coolers, shrouds, caps, spinners, and chicken dinners. No more mystery boxes with mystery vendors. No more duct taping random pieces together and calling it engineering. The right part at the right spot means fewer bad samples, fewer band-aids, and one less reason to yell at your equipment. Get your spare parts the smart way, the Sensor way. Visit sensoreng.com and tell them Billy sent ya.